people were being scammed by this cute guy. You know, girls. Logic, guys. Where in this world can we ever find an iPhone worth 30,000? 8 plus. 8 plus. We're talking about iPhone 8 plus. Yeah, we're not talking about 6 or 5 or 4 or whatever.
Can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lebogangmametja and I'm back again with another awesome video. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe and stay. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much and I hope you come back for more. Thank you very much for coming back for this video. And today I'm not talking about anything that has to do with food technology, because I know that most of the time, yeah, that's actually what I'm usually talking about on my channel. But today we're switching things up. So today, probably this is disturbing you guys. Today we're actually switching things. And guys, today, as you can tell by the title of this video, today we're talking about the top 5 places that you can get yourself a pre-owned iPhone here in South Africa. Okay, so I actually did this video because I'm just a little bit concerned, because there were like a couple of people that were scammed on Instagram because of this whole iPhone thing. Let's be honest, we all want iPhones. Honestly, even if you can sit on top of your wardrobe and shout, hey, people are getting iPhones because they like things. You like things, you just don't have the money, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. Then actually on Instagram people were being scammed by this cute guy. You know, girls, you know, girls have a weakness when it comes to guys, more especially the cute ones from Instagram. This guy actually posted up his iPhone 8. I don't know if it's his or he just took a picture from one of the stores. I don't even know. He took that picture and then he was like, no, I'm selling this iPhone. I can't remember if it was for 4,000 or for 3,000. I can't remember. But then with like just simple logic, guys, where in this world can you ever find an iPhone worth 3,000? 8 plus. We're talking about iPhone 8 plus. Yeah, we're not talking about 6 or 5 or 4 or whatever. Or yeah, actually. So that's actually one of the main reasons when I was like, where do you guys even stay? But yeah, I'm not here to bash anybody. I'm just here to help everybody. Guys, when I say familiarize yourself with iStore pre-owned. So here's the thing. Here's what happens. People that own iPhones know. I mean, people that own iPhones like that buy them from like the original store. Most of them get to trade in their old iPhone and just to get the new version on a lesser price, right? So here's what they do. iStore actually, I don't know if it's iStore but I think so. Yeah, I actually think so. Actually takes these phones and then they repair the battery. The battery capacity of these phones is actually 100%, right? All of them. Then they actually categorize them in 3 categories. I'm sorry for the noise outside. I stay at rest, so there's really nothing I can do. People bang doors every time. So yeah, back to what I was saying. Okay, so there are different categories. It's good, better, and the best, right? The cell phone categorized under good they actually have visible scratches, not necessarily that panda scratch, not that on your screen. No, it's literally just small scratches and like some visible dents here and here. So yeah, those ones are actually the cheaper ones. That's actually the one that I got personally. It was like 7.5 and that's an 8 plus that has 256 gig of space. Convenient, right? And quite cheap. That's actually how I see it. I felt like it was actually quite cheap, considering the fact that it is as good as new inside when you like forget about the scratches and the dust. And it's actually not bad. I'll actually take a picture of the scratches tomorrow, probably when I get to work, if there's like good lighting, because yeah, it's getting cold. Like it's so cold, we don't even have the sun. So yeah, I guess I'll have to take this phone with me so that I can take a picture of this one. Okay, and then there's Better. Better actually has light scratches. Yes, light scratches. Then Best has no scratches at all, and it is usually more expensive. In the case of my 8 Plus, Best was actually at around 8.5, I think. Yeah. So, and from this iStore pre-owned, you can actually get more. It's not only cell phones. You can get your iPads, your Mac, and other accessories, other iPhone accessories. I don't think accessories are actually second hand. Yeah, I don't think so. And we also get a cable. The only thing that you don't get with your iPhone from the iStore pre-owned is it's an adapter. You only get lighting cable. Let me show you how the lighting cable looks like. So yeah, here's the lighting cable. It's actually quite long. Yeah, it's actually quite long. I'm not sure about the size. And one thing again that I love about this iStore pre-owned thing, it's because it's actually quite convenient. I stay in Pretoria CBD, so it actually took them 2 days. It took 2 days for this phone to arrive. Yeah, and then it comes in this kind of box. Yeah, it comes in this kind of box, and they usually require your ID just in case you're not around. Yeah, they require your ID when they come. So I don't know if you're not, the best way is to just order this phone and just let them send it where you are usually at. Like, I'm always at work, so I might as well just use my work address. So yeah, that's basically what I mean. So the second one has to be Cash Crusaders. As much as people bash Cash Crusaders, right? People bash people who buy iPhones from Cash Crusaders, and that's weird for me, honestly, because I mean, the money that they actually buy the iPhones from Cash Crusaders is actually, they can actually buy your Android. Kidding, it's jokes, it's jokes. Okay, so yeah, Cash Crusaders is also risk-free, honestly, because you just go there and buy your phone, and they just give you the phone immediately, and I guess you get to check the battery capacity if you're happy with it right there. And you guys have to know how to check the battery capacity. Yeah, that's it. And then one disadvantage about Cash Crusaders that I personally feel like it's a disadvantage is the battery. I don't think you get the battery at 100% capacity. No, definitely don't. But yeah, it's actually one of the safest ways of buying your phone. And then the third place, we have Amazon. Yep, Amazon. So yeah, you can actually, Amazon is way too cheap. Amazon is way too cheap, but the only problem is the shipping. You can ship your phone for like 1.5. Yeah, the Amazon shipping is very quite expensive. And here's the thing, but then most of the time you'd find that you find an iPhone 8 Plus a 4,000, and you then pay 1.5. That's like 5.5. So it's really not that bad. It's actually lesser than buying a phone from iStore pre-owned. And then what else? It actually takes time. For some people, it actually takes time depending on your vendor there. And yeah, that's basically it with Amazon. And then on the fourth place, we have Yaga. Yeah, for those of you that don't know, Yaga is a website here in South Africa that actually sells where people can actually sell you their second-hand items. So you actually communicate with this person personally through that app. So here's the trick with Yaga. So I sell you something, right? And then when you receive that product, you actually get to confirm so that Yaga can release my money. Your money can only be released from Yaga when you confirm you've gotten your product and you're happy with it. So yeah, that's actually how it works. So people get to sell you their phones thing. But one thing I actually don't like about Yaga is that, okay, the iPhones are actually quite cheap. I remember I saw an iPhone X Max XS Max that was, and the space was 256 and it was 7,000. But I wasn't so sure if I should buy it because I felt like it might be a fake phone, it might be fake. I mean, I can't differentiate between an original iPhone and a fake iPhone. So I was like, no, let me just not take the risk. But personally, I just feel like people are able to sell you a fake iPhone. When I say fake, I'm not talking about those iPhones that don't work. I mean, an iPhone that works perfectly, but it's from those Indian shops, right? So, and then on number 5, it's actually Instagram. Yes, the scamming app. So on Instagram, there's this page called We Buy Smartphones. Let me actually show you the page right now. This is actually a well-trusted page. I've seen people getting their iPhones, like successfully purchasing their iPhones from this person. And one thing I like about them is that they're honest about their product. They'll tell you the Face ID doesn't work, the whatever button doesn't work, yeah. So I actually like that about them. And guys, when you go for this page, please, as We Buy Smartphones, right? And they've got 30.4k followers. I hope you guys can see they've got 30.4k followers. And yeah, they actually tell you, okay, this thing it does come with accessories, it doesn't come with accessories, yeah. And their prices actually tell you, okay, I mean, here's an iPhone 11 256 gig space and it's 16,000. I mean, you can actually tell that their products are actually original, and they're actually second-hand products actually. So yeah, these are actually the places where you can get yourself a pre-owned iPhone. And yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, that's basically it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you'll be here for the next one. And I hope you guys subscribe, man. I mean, get me to like 200 subscribers. I mean, man, yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you subscribe, like, comment, and share it with your friends and the friends of your friends and everybody that you know. Thank you very much. Mwah. See you next time.